We're live. Hope everyone is doing well. We are back on these accounts. Been a roller coaster of a day, man. Our main account, we've ended the day green in the morning. Apologies as well for the stream just kind of dropping out. I know it looks bad. I was talking to myself for like 5-10 minutes before I realized the stream had stopped. Essentially got stopped out on the goat funded accounts. Just close all of these tabs. Sec. Trying to plan a trip. Hey, what's up, Dom? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. It was a rough morning to start with the shorts. We did call the shorts for a lot of it. Didn't end up going so good, but we did get our 5 goat funded futures accounts. This is my account max for the month. So no more accounts till June. I'm really going to use these accounts sparingly. Probably just going to trade one at a time. I think that's the issue with copy trading. It's just one idea and everything's gone. So 5.5 there. We got this account funded as well. So we added this, got funded today, and then we've just hit day 1 of the target. This is what I love on a futures family. Use code FIT for a discount. If that doesn't work, use code DOM. Dom's in the chat. He has a code to give you guys the best price. So these 2 accounts are pretty rough. This is day 1 for these guys as well. So to be honest, like monetary wise, fair enough. I've lost 2 accounts today. I think it's $98 each. Sucks, but I think in the grand scheme of things, it's not too bad, especially when you can sort of reload pass in one day and you're kind of back at square one. Not good mentality, to be honest, but comes in longs. 995. Jump in on the action. So I'm going to try and see if we can bring these accounts back. Obviously, just trading with 1 micro. That's going to be the challenge for the live stream tonight. See how that goes. Not expecting too much, to be honest, but it is what it is. Was in long. Still 995. Yeah, I reckon we take 3, Dom, because it's such a psychological level. Hey, like 300,000, 30,000. We've never hit this before as well. But I still just don't buy this. I don't buy this bull run, man. With a war that's like brewing pretty bad, I just can't. And I know it's costing me money, like going against everything. But I mean, what have we woken up to this week? Trump's obviously saying whatever he needs to say for the markets to pump, but air defenses are activated in Iran Gulf. Iran is down a hostile drone. Like the war is still going on. It's kind of crazy. Super sus, hey. I don't know. So we'll see what happens if we take this level. I'm potentially planning a 10-10 reversal. The downside, if you've watched my videos a few times now, you know that I'm a short-term bias trader waiting to reverse it. Not well. Nah, think positive, Dom. Positive thoughts. Nah, I think you're fine, bro. But in saying that, I don't want to speak too soon. But yeah, this looks like a nice draw for me. Take out all of this liquidity as well from today. There we go. There we go. But the question is, does it just keep on pumping? And this, we just don't look back. We just keep on flying upwards. And at all-time highs, the scary thing is that's always a possibility. There's really no end in sight. This could just keep going for as long as it wants to. So try not to fade that momentum now. Tried shorts all the way down in here. No bueno. But yeah, we'll run with the lowest account first. 1 micro. I think I might jump in this, to be honest, on like an M1. It doesn't want to run off without me. And I think the strategy for this is compounding and just doubling the profit. And so as soon as this is doubled, we're just taking our profit. Even if it has like heaps of room to go, we're just doing the doubling method to try and get back to, I think like 1,000 on the day I can accept. So if we can get to negative 1,000, just call it and then move to the other account. And then if we get this one back up to 1,000, we'll try to bring this one into profit. But I don't want to speak too soon. Wait and see. What'd you get up to today, Dom? How was your day, man? If you're still in the chat. Yeah, that was actually a pretty decent entry. Okay. Straight in here. Break even. What did Trump tweet? Oh, beforehand. Yeah, nice. Break even's still a win, bro. Break even's 100% a win. Alright. Oh, which account are we? Okay, well that's actually a really good thing. I was trading on the wrong account. This account's already hit profit target, so I can. Talks are going well with Iran. Yeah, market just pumped. Went down, hey. Yeah. Was it was like around here, right? Then the drone hit and then hey, nice. Nice. I'm keen to hear your thoughts on them, man. No faults on this end. So the account we're needing is the 300 account. You can see these two got suspended before. None of them funded though. These are all just combines. For now, until we get to these two. Let's see. Yeah, long still would have worked. I still think the risky trading. I'm probably just going to wait till 10-10, to be honest. Just be a little bit sensible. We'll wait till 10-10, see if a reversal play comes in, but now we're just chilling. I think we can just play some chess now, to be honest. Let's not go. Let's go 5-minute game. That should take us to 10-10. But all right. I need to learn more about castling, to be honest. I don't know if this is a good castle. Flash rank 30% at 995. Give me 2 secs, Dom. Don't trust this PA. Yeah. Someone's a Bruin, hey. I don't like it. That's free. That's not. That's a bit annoying. Yo. Ah. It's kind of cooked me a little bit, huh? Okay. Like your strat of the short. Yeah, I said that this morning though, to be fair, Dom. And it didn't turn out too good, but that's alright. Yeah, a whole lot of nothing. I'm just gonna wait for that 10-10. I'll set an alert. This hits. But for now, what's up? Let's put pressure on here. Wow, it's a block. Maybe not. He takes. Take. Bad move. Doesn't attack anything. I'm taking way too much time here, man. Way too much time. Okay. Yeah, this works now. We get him to move. We either do this, or we either... Yeah, that's... You still in your long dump? He can move there. Wait for 10-10 here, guys. Still in it. Still in long. Nice, bro. Nice. Yeah, this chess game is not going too well. It's not going well at all. Oh, surely that's a blunder. Some way. Affected. Yep. Oh, I didn't have mate. Not looking good. Do we take any? So we took London and Asian highs. A bit of liquidity. So yeah, I think we're good here. I'll finish this up and then we'll jump back onto the charts. Yeah, okay. So I think this is still gonna be mate. If he moves back there, we just take his queen. Okay, and that should be mate. We are. Nice. Alright, get back for the game before earlier. That's still good. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you mean. Thanks, man. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna go on standby until 10:10 here. And try keep the news up as well. Here we go. Iran talks bogged down over nuclear program. That's not good. Oh dear. Okay. Could be Meltdown City. Alright, I'm gonna jump in with this one micro here and let's see if we can go. I'm actually going for the gap fill here. Break even. Dang. Unlucky dome. Short. Ooh. Shorts here, dome? Maybe? Question mark. I'm gonna stick with the one account for now. And again, we're just going for a double. So, I think we have $33 or 31. Yeah, so if we hit 31, we're just gonna take profit and that's it. Let me actually set that. So liquidation is above this high. We push back up here, that is GG's. Alright. They do. It's either I got a really bad entry here. Wasn't patient enough for this to come back to here. Because ideally, if we're pushing back to here, we still have, as you were saying, taking this liquidity. And I'd much rather get in on a turtle swoop, not get liquidated, if that's the case. But if we just want to send it from here, who knows? So 31, keep it. The 31.50 I think is the exact amount. And I get to 50 cents. Should be able to. I can't. Good as well. Opening price. Yeah, same. I honestly think this is like an end dog potential move, man. I think this could be hectic. It looks like we did take it, or maybe we didn't. ES is probably, I'm going to assume, the better asset to take this on. Yeah, I would need to vet all of this though. Yeah, it's still a super high risk play here for the short. I think just be careful. Oh my days. Just be careful about partialing. But if we invert this and close below here, good night. Good night, NQ. We'll move stops to this high now. Alright. On the road to recovery for this poor account, man. Okay, so 1010's approaching now. And I wonder if 1010 reversal is actually now back to the upside. You still reckon good night? I think if there's follow through here, yeah, good night. It's over. Want to move to break even pretty quickly if we're gonna reject here, just because now it's the officially the 1010 macro or reversals. So I'm gonna go straight to break even here, just in case this whipsaws. We're at midnight right now. Decent blast. Can we get follow through? I'm gonna adjust my stop to this high so we get a rebound. Very close to TP here. We've at least locked in $11.50, which in the grand scheme of things of $31 is like 30%. Yeah, my stop's a bit quick. Ideally, it'd still be here, but with this amount of drawdown, we're not going to muck around today, ladies and gents. Alright, that's nice. Ideally, a closure on an M3 below midnight would be handy, but again, just being careful. Close to TP. Should have been stopped out there. Nice. Why do that, man? Why get there and then rebound? Okay. We're at midnight here. Still really like nothing to report on here. I'm not too keen on jumping back in. But we made $11 on that trade. Nice. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. So I'm gonna try 9:30 strategy because I don't usually trade this time at 12 a.m. here in Australia right now. But yeah, it's by Scarface Trades. He basically does the 15-minute opening range and then the highs and the lows, and he looks for 5-minute closures above or below these levels. Oh, nice. Nice. I hope you stayed in that, Dom. Wow. No news. We're just melting down. Alright. Well, I think we're going to employ the same strategy here. We're going to drop to a fill-in. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to drop to a 30-second here so we can be a little bit more precise. This is looking decent for continuation. Now we're looking for $42, I believe. It's our new target. Bang, 41, right on the money. I have a stop here. Negative RR. It's about double what we made before, but it's pretty much the same stop loss that we had. It's alright. Again, if we're expecting this gap fill, it could get pretty insane very quickly here. That's kind of what we would expect. Yep. Kind of what we want to see here. Good night. Good night. Yeah, if we close below all of this, see ya. See ya. All of this is untapped. And it's all previous day levels as well. Previous day value high, money control, BL. We've just ballooned completely away from that. So who knows? Who knows? Looking good so far. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit just to make sure my stop is in a decent spot. No fair value gaps. Really, if that is the game plan to run to NDOG, we'll just try and short the whole way if we're given opportunities. That's not a bad stop that we have right there. Break even is at a pretty bad spot. So you can trim a little bit more. Table here. It really is just risk management, I guess, at this point. You can get to 1-to-1, be happy with that, and then you get to 0.R plus, happy with that too. It'll be about $6 in this case. So if you get to break even, I'll be happy with that. Needing that last little push downside. Last little push. We're closing. Okay. Okay. Shut the tracks. I like it. So fun. Night resting right here. We're got an M5, okay. M5 CB right at mid. Oh wow. Phase. Break through this. Yeah, definitely volume to the downside here. Alright, alright. And 6-2. I'm gonna join you on that. Just reduce some of my risk. Check time frames here. Yeah, nice. Only thing I don't like is this gap resting above this. Oh my days. Crazy time to be trading though. In reality. There's a lot going on right now. But pretty much, I think we're good to go break even. Yeah. Really, I'll just see if we take this low, I'll push to break even. Keep stops where they are for now. Well, I'm just thinking in my head, right? If we break the low, there's a good chance that we're going to keep on driving lower. But if we can't break the low, that's probably the best. So I'm going to do my stops to break even. Nice. Slightly in profit here to cover fees. 962. Clean, dumb, clean. Like we still good. Nice. Does look like that, man. But the family's all doing well, bro. Yeah, I think this low looks like a nice draw here. So once we get some Trump news, man. We are going to sign an agreement in 72 hours. And then on the 71st hour, we are not signing the deal anymore. Not doing well. Not easy being a dude. Tell me about it, man. It is not easy being a dad. I don't think it's easy being a parent, full stop. Moms have it pretty hard too. So, yeah, it's a lot, man. Such a blessing, to be fair, but yeah, just takes a lot out of you. Yeah. Not expecting, I shouldn't have expected too much on a bank holiday. And I think that's where I sort of go wrong. It was a pretty good opportunity though, to be fair. Like we're up 1.3% on the day. That's not nothing. So in a nice long in Asia, free market, yeah, decent coin. We're at break even now, so I think we just jump in another match of chess. Not much point staring at a screen. Can't really do much about the outcome right now. So might play some poker too as well, if it's not too much to focus on. But yeah, either one of the. Are we gonna take back? Yep. Moves back. One moves there. Uh, Okay, it doesn't take. It's gonna march him all the way down. Pretty sure he's trapped now. Oh no. My bad. Uh, develop. Get this guy. Stay. Whole lot. Alright. And then we'll just attack this guy so that we can open this guy up, and then it's gonna be it. We'll just peter in. Stay. So looking decent. M2. Okay, and lower. Uh, not move. Wow. Thanks. Okay, nice. We're doing okay now. Got that. And means we can attack, and that way the king's got a little escape. Nice, nice, nice. Crazy. MNQ doesn't hit 30k. Interesting. Nice, Dom. Hope you. I don't know where your take profit was, but we're moving. We're looking for continuations here, and again, we're just doing the same strategy. So aiming for 83. Comes here. I don't think that was the move. Uh, Play this. That's it. Plus 950. Yes, let's go, Dom. Let's go, man. Sick. Oh, snap. Oh, no. Okay. Actually, yeah, that's cool. Oh, nice. Goes all the way back. First payout is nah 2K, man. 2K, and then it jumps to 2.5. How do we do this? This is interesting. I don't know if we put the queen here that way. Yeah, let's do it. Nice. Yeah, on the 50K primes. 2K is the first payout. Nice. I think that's gonna be a forfeit here. Yeah, 50K primes. They're so good, man. 2K, first K, but 40% consistency rule. So I've done the math. I think you need 1.5K for the first 3 days. That's to get like a payout the fastest. But I mean, you could just slow that time down completely and take as long as you need, really. What's he gonna do? Forfeit or let the time run out? Wow. Melt down, man. Melt down. Yeah, nice call, as well on the reversal. Okay, he's left. Nice. So dubs there. Let's see if we can get a dub. Yeah, on the charts now. So 1 point. Yeah, for 3 days. Yeah. So just like, well, I ran it so get funded in 1 day, just max leverage, but scale in. Pass. They activate the account like then and there as soon as you hit the profit target, and then you can go for day one. So you can essentially hit like first green day as soon as you buy your account, which I think is sick. And then only 2 more days, and then boom, payout. It's hard with 1.5K like to hit that consistently over 3 days, but I think just scaling in, try and treat it the same as the combine is what helps me like take the emotion out of it. Just another account, really. Because and it only gets easier after that. So I'll try show you the dashboard here, man. For that one, this one. So now, like for instance, this is the account that has 600. So this one, the 639 ending in 297. And so with 600, my consistency is already way lower. So I don't need to be going for crazy moves. And then it's 2 more days to hit the 2.5. So it's just literally another 600 tomorrow, and then God willing, another 600 the day after. which I just think is super cool. Whereas with Top Step, like trying to hit the 6K on these accounts, needing 12K, and like it's just a lot to go for. Let's wait and see. That's crazy amount to chill that out. The stops at this high, not the greatest entry here if I'm being completely honest, but just anticipating this downward momentum to continue. A time frame. Nice. And so we're needing what? Where are we at? 83. Just zoom out. Gotta see where we are. Decent stop can actually come to this M3 high. Here. TP. Yeah, pretty much at this liquidity resting right here. So logical spot, makes sense. And then if we can reach above 100, I'm happy to start risking macros. And the doubling game just continues. Nice. Oops. I don't want to do that. Pretty much go break even. Just above. Almost risk free. $3 on the trade here. The skin of our teeth. And then I actually want to short from here if we can. I don't mind getting stopped out here. And I'm by the skin of my teeth. Up out here. Like, it's cool. I think we only lost color. So we'll take that. $. We're gonna wait. See if we can get a push back up into this region again. I just set a limit. A limit. Play some chess. Go on the midpoint just to make sure we tapped in. So I like just the 50% range, fair value gap. Yeah, we'll take that. And chess. Come back and this thing's absolutely dumped. I think it's doing that right. Cool. Ooh. It's not fun. Uh, oh. Oh dear. Everyone's here, man. Just push this dude, right? Keep the queen its cover. Makes sense. Oh. Take. Nice. This is going good. Oh dang, we didn't get tapped in. That's okay. That's okay. What did it? Uh, some reason. Takes would. That's probably the better option. Uh, uh, oh no, he's good. Ooh, sneaky. Sac- Oh no. I know. Uh, just like try and castle with and this. Alright, see if we can get tapped in here. Hmm. Nice. Oh no, it's not. Let's do it. Let's check. I think that was a better way to. We have moments. Right? Side like nice. Nice. Slowly on the climb. Slowly on the. Let's check. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So now that we're closed below this green lights, we could see it pull back right up in 936. Is that entry? I like this. I like this. Have another game of chess. Gonna let the trade come to us. Not gonna force it. Doesn't come to us, it is what it is. We're gonna take it, man. From $30 to 80, man. I'll take that. Over a 100% return, so not mad at that. I am mad at losing 1,900 though. That's cool. Right? If you start like, probably good. Okay. I'm trying to. Should have. Buy some. As soon as this guy moves. That's not. Good move for him is to go. Yep. And all the sauce. Uh, Still. Nice. Nice. Back. It's really the position. And like okay. Oh, okay. Yep, yep, yep. Got an idea. Sacrifice it. I will open it. I don't think I thought this through actually. I don't think this is gonna work. Unless oh, wonderful. Wow. Okay. Uh, every one's pretty much this. Nice. Right. We're on a bit of a roll. Let's go. And then we're about to be tapped in. Ooh, perfect timing. Let's see if we get tapped. Got a little bit to go here. Gonna patiently wait. Right. Tapped in. All right. Up. At 2945.75. 519. Risking here. Right at the 15-minute civvy right now too. You'll just see the reaction. I don't mind scaling into this position here and then looking for 80 exactly. We'll be at 160, and then we can get probably one or two more W's after that. That's really when we start compounding and the account has some life. But let's see. Invert this or respect this. Good spot to add in, to be honest. Waiting to see. It's a nice reaction. But taking a additional position here. A fair bit of risk on the table here. Heading back down into here. We can continue lower. Alright. Alright. Nice reaction of this level here. Holds. busting up stops now as well. 40.4. Alright, $11 risk on the table. $41.25. Looking nice. Play some chess. Hmm. Ooh. That's rough. And he takes this. Doesn't he? This is a bit more forcing, but uh oh, but then it's the same issue actually. Let's go back to nice. Patience on that. Oh, that's a rough one. That also. I don't like this at all. I do not like this at all. It's not good. Let's do it. Trade. Still kicking. Just. Oh, I still should take that actually. Weird move. Achieved. Too much. Oh, that was free. Oh, necessarily. Then queen takes. But now it's looking. Okay. Do this. The attack, but I'm also aiming. Okay. Nice. Is there another check? Corner. Achieving. This. Yes. Oh, hold the phone. Hmm. I feel like this is a really obvious move and it's not being it right. So he's gonna take, he's gonna move his queen over, probably there. Oh, well, that was silly. Uh-oh. Unlucky. Yeah, saw the idea. Should have gone there. Then I would have just sacked my queen. Traded. Way up. Alright. Let's see what's happening with our trade here. Still break even. If you're just joining us, we pretty much had these accounts on day one have been funded. I'm going balls to the wall. I'm trying to hit 1.5 for each of these accounts. So they're in some drawdown. We're playing this challenge. We started with $30 on this account and we're just doubling. So we went from 30 to 40. We took a partial from 40 to 80. And now we're trying to go from 80 to 160. Not looking likely here because we are back up at this region. And bank holiday, pretty rough day to be trading. I see not much to report for now. See where break even is. It's at this high. Two stops to break even, risking $1.50 now. Keeping the risk as tight as we can. Jump in another game. Push here. Probably one. Okay, trade first. Hate having, yeah, I don't like this setup at all. Just gonna have to give up. Of course, that's fine. Like, that's actually not bad. I thought we were gonna walk away from that a lot worse. That's a free. We'll see if we can castle our way out of here. I'm not too sure what is best. Probably this side. Got a bit more escape. Nice. Very nice move. Let's get rid of your defenses. Yep. I know which one he takes. Sure, he's got to take this. And it's check. Okay, so we're in the end game. Gonna bring the king out. What? Oh. I see what you. Nice move. Nice move. It's gonna be a rough one. Very rough one. I have to get the key. Yeah. Cool. Like, the bullies, man. The bullies. I want to trade, right? I don't know how we're gonna do this. Can't be aligned. Mm. Who's this guy? Over. Nice. He checks me. We gotta stay up. Don't want that check. Still in this ping pong trade. Ah, silly me. Okay, I'm probably gonna switch off stream pretty soon. Getting pretty late. It's 1:08 a.m. here in Australia, so close the stream. But thanks for tuning in. Stay on stream. Having a yarn. You guys all the best for your trading. See you on the next episode. Take care.